No. It's gonna take a while.
And people actually notice pretty quickly. I mean, I would just start, yeah, just lightly give it.
Both of these are hinging, this one's not. Might have to get this one to start moving first, Chad.
It's opening further than what it did.
See it, completely locked.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think anything's ever going to get into that, is it? It's got to be building heat. Smooth as can be. Yeah, it worked.
So what'd you notice after using the 𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗥𝗬 penetrating spray?
Well, it worked.
What was the issue?
The hinge was solid, frozen solid, and within a few minutes, this is how it works.
That's awesome. Yeah, it was squeaking up a lot before. That thing wasn't even moving, but
Right.
now look at us. Yeah, just so you guys know, this is what I used, the 𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗥𝗬 Infinity Lube Super Spray. Well, thanks guys.
Thank you.